like the airport's sitting in a bowl of fog over there.
A little light rain in Rochester, but we're good. Yeah, it looks like the rain passed through there.
Good morning. It's 8:30. We're here at the airport. Patchy fog on Spirit Airport today. I think you can see it in the back of the camera here a little bit. Yeah. I think we're going to be okay. Most of it is on the south side of the airport, blanketing 26 left. 26 right looked like it was fine when I drove by it. I pulled in there first to make sure that the airplane was on the ramp. Today we're going to Rochester, Minnesota. We're going to spend the night there and come back tomorrow. Don't know what time we're coming back yet. So happy to have you guys along. Well, about all the fog's gone now. We should have a clear shot out of here.
Mike's doing the checks.
Wind shear. Glide slope. Pull up.
A little bit of a delay, not much, just 15 minutes.
This little safety pin, gonna always make sure that's in there. They removed that for towing and released the scissors. Okay, we're just killing time now. I'm hollering because that APU is running. We started 10 minutes before departure, and they kept sending a text saying 15 more minutes, 15 more minutes, 15 more minutes. It's the way it is. We're getting paid. They got to be there at 12:30 though. That's the important thing.
80 knots. A1, rotate. Posture, you're up. You're good.
Flaps up, yacht aircraft.
Citation to Quebec, contact St. Louis departure. Good day.
Good day to Quebec. Morning, St. Louis. Citation November to Quebec, 1.5 for 3,000.
Citation to Quebec, St. Louis departure. Radar contact line and maintain 5,000. St. Louis altimeter 2986.
5,000, 2986 to Quebec. Oh, isn't that nice?
Speed brakes. Okay, I am packing up as fast as I can. Mike's already done. I had to refile us. We got a call. They're actually leaving today. They're not going to wait till tomorrow. They finished up what they have to do here, and just as soon as we can get to the airport, we're leaving. They're on their way now. See you guys there. Bye. It is cold and windy out here. We're done. They're going to be here in about 2 minutes. We beat them. Let's fire up this beast and get going. Okay.
AC3912, there's areas of heavy precipitation at Berry and just past it. We'll get you deviating to the east, sorry, to the west of that before you reach it. AC3912, turn 15, 15 degrees right. Tower gear 720, turn left, setting 190.
Pretty good wind up here.
Speeds are 109, 115.
Holy smokes.
Oh, that's a real good wind.
Overshoot that thing. And yaws away.
4-lane checklist.
Tower live team. Disregard tower. Wind 350 at 11, gust 14.
Speed brakes.
Did.
For Tower Gateway 3 Street, checking out. We are
Good
visual
job.
26 left.
Oh,
That was a pretty good wind.
63 Spirit Tower, wind 350.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes and comments. And if you made it this far, you need to subscribe. That way you'll find out about future videos coming out. And if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can always toss a buck in my Patreon. I appreciate everything. You guys keep the blue side up, the brown side down, and fly safe. And as always, be good.